Paris 1956, number 9 Rue Gillicourt. Word is out and everybody's beating on the door. Madame Rachou will let you in. Just smile and ring the bell. Welcome to Nirvana at the Beat Hotel. Sweet smell of Pernod, a Gaulois cigarette. It's a cosmic congregation, but you ain't seen nothing yet. It's an open invitation, an existential clientele, all looking for Nirvana at the Beat Hotel. They looked for it in New York City, in San Francisco Bay. They looked for it in bebop jazz, and it blew them all away. They tried out every avenue, and then said, what the hell, we'll look for it in Paris, at the Beat Hotel. Burroughs came up from Tangiers, Ginsberg from New York, Kerouac came up from Italy and slept out in the park. Gregory Corso came and went, and where he's at no one can tell. He's still looking for Nirvana at the Beat Hotel. Take me to your leader, take me to the man. Someone has got the answer, someone's got the perfect plan. If you're lurking in the alleys, if you're lurking in the bars, you'll find us in the gutter, looking at the stars. This ragged band of poets, Christians, Buddhists, Jews, a new beat generation searching for the muse. Some found it in the arms of a mystic mademoiselle, looking for Nirvana at the Beat Hotel. The rooms count up to 41, but you can sleep out in the hall. For a few centimes you can get a drink and write your poems on the wall. And the marijuana mixes with the Turkish toilet smell. It's all part of Nirvana at the Beat Hotel. Alex Campbell strums an old guitar someone picked up in Spain. Ginsberg's howling poetry and Kerouac's drunk again. The rent is overdue, there must be something they can sell. Maybe they can sell Nirvana at the Beat Hotel. Someone's taking photographs. Janine takes off her clothes. Marlene's meditating and concentrating on her toes. Jasmine hides in room 16 and curls up in her shell. She's communing with Nirvana at the Beat Hotel. Take me to your leader, take me to the man. Someone has got the answer, someone's got the perfect plan. If you're looking in the alleys, if you're lurking in the bars, you'll find us in the gutter, looking at the stars. They did it for the journey, and not for getting there. Fame is in a whisper when you pay the taxi fare. It's just this side of heaven and a long, long way from hell. It's somewhere in Nirvana at the Beat Hotel. Nothing lasts forever, and forever's in a rhyme. It's a Buddha-like connection, and everybody has their time. If you want to drink the water, you've got to dig into the well, or maybe then you'll find Nirvana at the Beat Hotel. It was over by 1963, and everyone had gone. But they'd opened up the road, and the revolution was getting won. And when the poems were painted over, and they rang the final bell, it was goodbye to Nirvana at the Beat Hotel. The myth is stronger than the truth, and the truth can sometimes lie. To see it all for what it was, you need an uncorrupted eye. Was the journey worth it? Only time would tell. Still looking for Nirvana at the Beat Hotel. Take me to your leader, take me to the man. Someone has got the answer, someone's got the perfect plan. If you're looking in the alleys, if you're looking in the bars, you'll find us in the gutter, looking at the stars, looking at the stars. We're looking at the stars. A stranger came in from the night, and he stood as if lost in a dream. His smile was as sad as a true love denied, and his voice was a song in the wind. I have traveled for many a mile, and my journey I cannot delay. But I must rest for a while, for I'm weary and cold, and tomorrow I'll be on my way. Give me fire to keep out the cold, close the shutters and make fast the door. Give me food for the night and a candle for light. I will make up my bed on the floor. I have nothing to give for my keep, and your favors I cannot repay. But a gift is not measured in silver and gold. It's a memory that's treasured each day. Stranger arose with the dawn, and he shouldered his traveling load. Without making a sound, he took one look around, and the stranger he took to the road. When the cold wind howls in the night, and the rain beats hard on the door, a voice in the wind seems to echo again, The stranger is traveling once more. Sad song of French town, harmony and rhyme. Blind man walks the street, silver cane beating out time. Saxophone plays a haunting tune. Magnolia blossom, heavy perfume. He stands by the window, looking out at the street. A dark-skinned lady lies in his bed, restless in the heat. She smiles in her sleep and quietly sighs, hanging on to promises and lovers' lies. Two old lovers trying to make it again, just like it used to be way back when. Somehow he loved her, but it all went wrong. They just ran out of time. They couldn't wait that long. They couldn't wait that long. Turns from the window, watches her sleep. Same loving feeling, old love runs deep. The shadows are fading, the sun is starting to rise. He lies beside her, kisses her eyes. Two old lovers trying to make it again, just like it used to be way back when. Somehow he loved her, but it all went wrong. They just ran out of time. They couldn't wait that long. Sad song of French town, harmony and rhyme. Blind man walks the street, silver cane beating out time. A saxophone plays a haunting tune. Magnolia blossom, heavy perfume. You see them in old Havana, playing cards, smoking cigars, and they're polishing chromium fenders on their big old Yankee cars. Manuel sits in La Casa de Rosa, drinking rum and watching the girls. He whistles at the beautiful Maria, and she smiles and tosses her curls. Now the bartender strums his guitar, and the rhythm plays out in the street. Maria moves with a passion as her body sways in the heat, and the old guys are smiling with pleasure. For a moment they're young and they're strong, and the young girls are giving them flowers as they sing their victory song. Once we were bold compañeros, running guns from the Florida Keys, on the beach at Santiago de Cuba. We were fighting with Fidel and Che. He talks of the Great Revolution in words of sadness and pride, and the medals he wears are the scars that he bears, and he drinks for the friends who died. We were farmers, we were poets, and we were hungry. All we wanted was our own piece of land. We were fighting for our wives and children, and freedom for every man. Once we were bold compañeros, running guns from the Florida Keys, on the beach at Santiago de Cuba. We were fighting with Fidel and Che. Now the Yankees come for the fishing, and their pockets are loaded with green. $10 will buy you a woman or a tank of gasoline, and the young kids are leaving the island, and the old guys have nothing to say. Manuel is living on dreams of the past, and tonight he'll drink it away. Once we were bold compañeros, running guns from the Florida Keys, on the beach at Santiago de Cuba. We were fighting with Fidel and Che. On the beach in Santiago de Cuba, we were fighting with Fidel and Che. We saw the times, we wrote the songs of cafe bars and midnight chimes, in perfect rhymes that danced with melodies. In song we sang the times. We paid our dues, we took the road and played the game of win or lose. We chose the muse, she led us on in neon lights of midnight hues. And through it all, the rise and fall, the come and go, the lost and won, we made our way and took the day. We marched to rhythms of our own and traveled on. A single star that seemed to hang on the horizon from afar, a perfect star, a city streetlight in the night. This was our star. And through it all, the rise and fall, the come and go, the lost and won, we made our way and took the day. We marched to rhythms of our own, traveled on. Those we knew, the ones we lost along the way, the chosen few, they left too soon, but we're the ones who'll carry on for those we knew. And through it all, the rise and fall, the come and go, the lost and won, we made our way and took the day. We marched to rhythms of our own and traveled on. Strike up the fiddle, tune your guitar. It's one more song for a faded star. The night is waiting, the lights are burning low. Take it down easy, take it down slow. You made it look easy when the going was tough. You sailed through the storm and you smoothed out the rough. The scars of the road are all that's left to show. Take it down easy, take it down slow. Rolling the dice, watching them spin. Every time you lose, you got to spin them again. Stay in the game and go with the flow. Take it down easy, take it down slow. You could have done better and there's things you regret. You could have been a contender, you were worth a bet. It's not for the winning that you play the show. Take it down easy, take it down slow. Running on dreams, you've got no time to stay. Time rolls on and it slips away. Nothing to do, no place left to go. Take it down easy, take it down slow. Strike up the fiddle, tune your guitar. It's one more song for a faded star. The night is waiting, the lights are burning low. Take it down easy, take it down slow. Take it down easy, take it down slow. And works at the hotel where all the singers hang out. She brings them their coffee when the drinks have run out. She dreams in the kitchen, stands real close to the door. and she listens to them singing. She wants to hear more. They sing songs of the traveling through strange and foreign lands, play tunes on guitars with strong and delicate hands, sing of the ladies they left so far behind, of fame and of fortune they're hoping to find. And her brushes her hair and waits for the day for her lover to come and take her away. She will know him for sure, 'cause she's dreamed of him so many times before, when he takes her away. Night's winding down and they're playing out the last tune. It's time to be leaving, chasing that old devil moon. A casual glance and Anna is ready to go, to roll in the arms of some sweet-talking Romeo. Anna brushes her hair, waits for the day for her lover to come and take her away. She will know him for sure, 'cause she's dreamed of him so many times before, when he takes her away. Song is a dream that sometimes gets lost on the way. Dreaming's for lovers who sometimes don't know what to say. But take it as given, it all comes round in the end, when Anna is singing, dreaming of loving again. Anna brushes her hair, waits for the day for her lover to come and take her away. She will know him for sure, 'cause she's dreamed of him so many times before, when he takes her away. She will know him for sure, 'cause she's dreamed of him so many times before, when he takes her away. We sent our postcards saying wish you were here, then made love under the boardwalk pier. I got it wrong and you started to cry. I said I loved you, but it was a lie. You were gentle and I was rough. I was talking big and acting tough. Now I've forgotten your name. It was so long ago when we were two young kids. No place to go, no place to go. We lost touch, I had the world to see. I didn't think of you, did you think of me? When you fell in love, was he good and kind? Like I should have been for your first time. I should have got you a ring from the trinket stall and drawn a heart with an arrow on the boardwalk wall. Maybe got you a flower to weave in your hair. I should have done something that was tender to show that I cared, to show that I cared. That's the way life sometimes goes. How things can change, nobody knows. For what it's worth, and come what may, I'm feeling bad when I think of that day. Young love should be pure and true. I should have been so good for you. Do you remember the kid who got it all wrong? Well, that kid's now a man, and he's writing this song. I'm composing these words, trying to tell you somehow I didn't love you then, but I love you now. I love you now. And that's the way life sometimes goes. How things can change, nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. How things can change, nobody knows. Some dreams are big, some dreams are small, some dreams are carried away on the wind and never dreamed at all. Some dreams tell lies, some dreams come true. I've got a whole lot of dreams, and I can dream for you. If not for me, if not for you, I'd be dreaming all day, I wouldn't know what to do. I'd hang around, I'd lose my way, I'd put off what I couldn't do for another day. Some dreams are big, some dreams are small, some dreams are carried away on the wind and never dreamed at all. Some dreams tell lies, some dreams come true. I've got a whole lot of dreams, and I can dream for you. I've spent my life hung up on dreams. I float along like a summer cloud, or so it seems. I get it wrong, most things I do, but I can write a song, and this one's for you. Some dreams are big, some dreams are small, some dreams are carried away on the wind and never dreamed at all. Some dreams tell lies, some dreams come true. I've got a whole lot of dreams, and I can dream for you. Some call it fate, some call it chance, some call it waiting around for someone to ask you to dance. If I had my way, if I could call the tune, you wouldn't have to wait, 'cause I'd dance you around the moon. Some dreams are big, some dreams are small, some dreams are carried away on the wind and never dreamed at all. Some dreams tell lies, some dreams come true. I've got a whole lot of dreams, I can dream for you. I've got a whole lot of dreams, and I can dream for you. We traveled on this road together, to live the day and dream the night. We made our promises forever. Our star was always burning bright. As subtle beauty favors loving, I was yours and you were mine, each to the other freely giving treasured gifts of pearls and wine. When misfortune crossed our journey, the winds of change blew cold and strong. We turned our backs against the fury. This was our time, this was our song. There may be jewels that sparkle brighter, and nectar from the gods divine, but none so pure nor love so greater. Treasured gifts of pearls and wine. As the sun fades in the distance and makes its journey into night, sparkling crystalline in shadows, a star is always burning bright. And though a cloud may hide its beauty, cannot stay, it has no time. Each to the other pays their duty. Treasured gifts of pearls and wine. Each to the other pays their duty. Treasured gifts of pearls and wine. How come we can't get along? We try so hard and it all goes wrong. It's hard to be wise and strong when time is short and nights are long. Problems always come around when dreams are built on shaky ground. When the way out can't be found, crying at night is a lonely sound. We don't know what to do to find a way to get us through. What is right? What is true? What is good for me and you? what is good for me and you. Sorry can be hard to say when pride and fear get in the way. It just gets worse from day to day. Sorry can be hard to say. So close your eyes and let it go. Let your dreams drift with the flow. It takes time for love to grow. Close your eyes and let it go. We don't know what to do to find a way to get us through. What is right? What is true? What is good for me and you? What is good for me and you? How come we can't get along? We try so hard and it all goes wrong. It's hard to be wise and strong when time is short and nights are long. When time is short and nights are long.